Derek Briggs here, Product Manager for Tsugami America. I'm excited to introduce the new Tsugami P036W machine. This model is uniquely designed for the production of micro parts for all industries. Let's have a look inside. The P036W is designed for micro parts machining with a 3mm or 1/8" max diameter through the spindle and 6 linear axes. It features a 20,000 RPM main and subspindle, providing high RPM to maintain proper surface footage for small parts. The machine also has independent front and rear slides for simultaneous machining and backworking. The split slide design allows for backworking capability and overlap with the subspindle to the tools on the back drill block, while still machining on the main side. The machine also includes a retractable guide bushing, which helps with the bar loading process when running very small diameter bars like this. This function opens the guide bushing to allow the bar stock through without tight pressure, preventing issues during loading. Once the bar stock is through, an M code closes the guide bushing back down to the set pressure, allowing for continued automated operation. The P036W comes standard with a gear-driven live tool spindle and an NSK high-speed spindle up to 80,000 RPM. This allows for higher torque with the gear-driven spindle and higher speed for the micro cutting tools with the NSK spindle. Polygon turning is also capable with the gear-driven spindle. This machine also comes standard with linear scales on X1, X2, and Z1. That, coupled with the linear motors, allows us to essentially eliminate any kind of thermal displacement issues and really allows us to keep that accuracy and repeatability on these micro parts. The spindle clamping mechanism is a patented design that completely eliminates the need for mechanical toggles inside the spindle, which helps with vibration dampening and balance at extremely high RPMs. Parts are ejected from the subspindle into a pneumatic chute and into a very fine mesh basket. Alternatively, a different ejector system can be used to catch the part without using the subspindle. The machine also has an option for a vacuum extraction system, which uses a tube to suck the part out and softly drop it into a basket outside of the machine. Tsugami's innovative design provides a compact, stable platform weighing nearly 2,500 pounds, optimized for precision in micro machining. For any additional questions on the Tsugami P036W, please contact your local Tsugami distributor or contact us at tsugamiamerica.com.